There are close to 3,000 signs altogether between the interior and exterior. Wayfinding, branding, sponsorship, right down to the men's and women's rooms.
Welcome, Brooklyn, USA, to the NBA.
We did them all. The scope consisted initially of a two-part project, the exterior and interior signs. The scope grew as the needs of the client grew. I grew up in the business, hands-on. That's why I personally spent the better part of 6 months here with my crews, 12 to 15 people on site at any given time. So I'm very involved in the details.
From the beginning, they came in with ideas. We had a very aggressive signage scope. It was highly designed, and the goal of that, the interior signage and the exterior signage, was not to be add-ons to the base architecture, but really to be fully integrated.
Working with American sign crafters, they were really integral in developing this faux weathering steel, because the exterior is all about this weathering steel, kind of picking up on the industrial feel of Brooklyn.
We wanted to connect with the people and connect with the architecture, and it offered an opportunity to sort of echo the materiality of the building and also give really sharp text.
One of our strong points is project management. American Sign Crafters was started in 1979, a very small sign company. We grew it. We service national retail chains, we service banks, real estate developers.
When we had an issue to solve, I was talking directly to Jeff about the best way to do it. Their ideas were sort of unending.
We have one contact, both for all service, maintenance, installation issues, is the same project manager they can go to 2, 3, 5 years down the road.
If we needed them to work extra hours, work overtime, work weekends in order to get work in place to help us expedite our schedule so that we didn't have delays, they were able to provide the manpower to step up and do that.
Get the job done, whatever it takes. I'm very proud of it. Very often a project of this magnitude is split up between several sign companies. Forest City Ratner had the kind of faith in our group to handle the entire project. It's all about relationships. Yeah, it gives me a great deal of pride to know that after 30 plus years that I've got the same customers time and time again. They've come back.